Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on training and development. So training and development is an important lecture in human resource management. So what is training and development? Training and development is a process of improving employee skills and knowledge through continuous education and professional development. So training and development is a vital function of human resource management that focuses on improving employees' skills, improving employees' knowledge, and improving employees' performance. So training prepares employees for their current job, while development equips them for future responsibilities and long-term growth. So what is training? Training is a systematic process of teaching employees the skills they need to perform their job effectively and efficiently. So training is a short-term and job-oriented process. So objective of training. So training improve performance, training reduce errors and accidents, training update employees with new technologies, training standardize work quality, training increase productivity. Technical training. So a software developer learning a new programming language such as Python or Java, and machine operators being trained to use advanced CNC machines. So what are CNC machines? So CNC machine is a CNC stands for computer numerical control. So a computer numerical control machine is a computerized automated tool used in manufacturing to perform tasks like cutting, like drilling, and like milling with high precision. Precision means with high accuracy. So instead of being manually operated, it follows pre-programmed computer instruction, so often in the form of G code, to precisely control its movements and operations. So this automation allows for complex shapes and consistent high accuracy result with minimal human intervention. So it is all about what is CNC machine. Safety training. So factory workers attending fire safety and first aid training before starting their work, and construction workers learning how to use protective equipment like helmets and harnesses. So what are harnesses? Harnesses means safety belts. Look at the picture that the supervisor is holding a safety belt. So construction workers are learning how to use protective equipments like helmets and safety belts before starting their work. Customer service training. So hotel staff are learning how to greet guests, how to welcome the guest, and how to talk with the guest politely, and how to communicate the guest in a very professional manner, and how to handle the complaints of the guest in a very efficient and effective manner. So it's all about the customer service training in a hotel management. And call center agents. So call center agents being trained to use communication script effectively to in this way to make the conversation with the customer in a very professional manner. On the job training. So new sales employees shadowing senior sales representatives. It means that the new sales employees following the rules and regulations of the senior sales representative, following the good sales technique of this senior sales representative, and follow the instruction of the senior sales representative, and new sales employee will think that how much the sales targets are achieved by the senior sales representative, and then the new sales employees will try to achieve the same targets as the targets met by the senior sales representative. And the fifth is orientation and induction training. So orientation means introduction of the organization to the new employees. So new employees learning about company policies, company rules and regulation, company work culture, and the organizational structure of the company. So new employees will learn about the company's policies, rules, work culture, and organizational structure. Quality and productivity training. So workers receiving training for Six Sigma techniques. So what is the Six Sigma technique? Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology for improving processes by identifying and eliminating errors and variations with a goal of achieving nearly error-free output. So employees learning how to reduce waste in the production processes. So development. Development involves long-term learning focus on preparing employees for higher roles and future challenges. So development enhances overall personality, development enhances leadership skills, and development enhances the managerial capabilities. Objectives of material. First is that the development build leadership potential, development prepare people for future promotions, development improve decision making and problem solving, development develop confidence and communication skills, development develop a confidence in the employees and improve the communication skills of the employees. Management development program. So examples of development is the management development programs. So supervisors attending leadership workshops to prepare for managerial roles, future managers learning strategic thinking and planning skills. So next is job rotation. So an employee moving between departments like HR, production, an employee moving between departments like HR department, production department, marketing department, and finance department to gain broader experience, to make the outlook wide, to making his vision broader. So job rotation is a very helpful tool to broaden the vision of the employees, to make the outlook of the employees wide. Have a look in the middle of the picture, a gentleman who is wearing the navy blue pant. He is the employee of the company. So first, this employee is assigned to a human resource department for 3 months, and after gaining experience from human resource department, he will move to a production department. And after gaining experience for 3 months in the production department, this employee will move to a marketing department for 3 months, and after gaining experience in marketing department, this employee will move to a finance department. So this employee moving between departments like HR department, production department, marketing department, and finance department to gain broader experience. Second example is a management trainee officer of a bank. So a management trainee officer of a bank is rotating between cash counters department to customer service department and then shifts to loan processing department to gain broader experience. So have a look in the picture, a gentleman who is wearing a navy blue two-piece suit. He is a management trainee officer of a bank. So first he is assigned in a cash counter department, and after gaining experience in cash counter department, he will move to a customer service department, and after gaining experience from customer service department, then he will move to a loan processing department. So in this way, a management training officer of a bank moving between departments like cash counter department, like customer service department, like loan processing department, to gain broader experience, to make his vision broad, to make his outlook wide. Coaching and mentoring. A senior manager mentoring a junior employee on career growth. So who is mentor? So a mentor is someone with valuable experience and knowledge who offers guidance and support. So in mentoring programs, mentors are not just advisors, they provide guidance that help promote professional growth and skill development within the company. So a mentor role is diverse and often extend beyond simple advice giving. So mentors may perform various mentoring functions, sometimes acting as a coach, a connector, or even a challenger to help their mentees, to help their junior employees to reach their full potential. So it's not unusual for a junior employee to have more than one mentor, as each can provide unique, invaluable perspective and expertise. So it's all about what is mentoring and who is mentor. So other is workshops, seminars and conferences. So HR professionals attending seminars on modern recruitment techniques. So HR professionals like HR managers attending seminars to learn the modern recruitment techniques, and teachers participating in workshops on digital learning tools, like teacher learn how to deliver lectures on multimedia projectors. Career development programs. Employees receiving guidance on long-term career paths and skill building requirements. Young officers being groomed for leadership roles in multinational companies. Groomed mean trained. So young officers being trained for leadership roles in multinational companies. Example of multinational companies like Nestle company, like Unilever company, like Procter and Gamble company, and like Toyota company, like Suzuki company, like Honda company, like Volkswagen company, and like Hyundai company, and like IBM company in technology, and like Apple company in technology, and Microsoft company, and I like BMW company in in motor vehicles companies. So these are the example of multinational companies. Soft skills development implies improving communication skills, implies improving their teamwork environment, and implies improving creativity, and implies improving emotional intelligence through the soft skill development programs, and sales teams learning negotiation and persuasion skills. So negotiation means bargaining skills, to bargain with the customer, and persuasion means convincing, how to convince the customer to buy the company's product. So sales teams learning negotiation and persuasion skills through these soft skill development programs. Importance of training and development. Training and development enhances employee performance and efficiency. Training and development boosts employee morale and job satisfaction. So what is employee morale? Employee morale is the collective attitude, outlook and satisfaction level of employees toward their job and workplace. So employee morale reflects the happiness level of the employees, the motivation level of the employees, and their enthusiasm of the employees, so which influences the productivity of the company and the company overall work culture. So low morale can lead to dissatisfaction and disengagement in their work of the employees, and high turnover that the employees want to switch to another company. While on the other hand, high morale of the employees is linked to a positive environment where employees feel valued, where employees feel engaged in their work, where employees feel committed in their work. So it's all about employee morale. And training and development reduces employee turnover. Means training and development reduces the employee turnover, means that employees don't want to switch to another company. Employees want to stay in this company. So training and development reduces employee turnover, and training and development encourages innovation and adaptability. Training and development helps organizations remain competitive, and training and development strengthen organizational reputation. Conclusion: training and development is essential for both employees and organization. So training and development is mandatory for both employees and organization. Training equips workers with the skills needing today, while development prepares employees for tomorrow. Organizations that invest in training and development programs. So in this way, training and development is a very helpful tool that leads to create a skilled, motivated and future-ready workforce. It's all about my lecture. Thanks for watching my video.